That's a wavelength. Okay. And if we increase the wavelength, so the most wavelength has the long radio waves. And the lessest ones is the phase, is a lambda ray. Okay. And the visible, as I said here, in the visible light. So the visible light, if we can see it, so then we can, like, if there is between 390 till 750 nanometer, then we can see it. Okay. There is the, so we call it the ray model of the light. What is that? It's an assumption that light travels in a fixed direction. So a fixed direction in a straight line as it passes through a uniform medium and changes its direction. So a uniform medium and changes direction. When it meets the surface of a different medium, or if the optical properties of the medium are non-uniform, is either space or time. Geometric optics, we have that. Metric optics. How we can define that? Is optics based on ray model of light. And then we have a wavefront. What is that? It's a surface that connects points of equal phase, like a crest, on all waves. And then we have rays. What are rays that I'm talking about? It's all this time is like a straight lines which are perpendicular. So there are straight lines that are perpendicular to the wave fronts, which we want to define the wave fronts. We have to regard it as a surface that connects points of equal phase. Like a crest on all waves. Okay. Let's go to the other one. The law of reflection. Okay, what is that? So, it's whenever light reaches a boundary between two media, part of it will be reflected. So if we have a normal axis, there is an incident ray. What is an incident ray? Incident ray is a ray that goes, the ray that we send, the real ray. All of them are the real ray, but the ray that first goes. And after that, we have a refracted ray. A refracted ray. And the other one, it's a reflection. So the reflected ray. And this is N2, N1, medium 2, and medium 1. And if you want to see these two So if you want to say theta 1, theta 1 I, so theta 1 is equal to theta 1 I. Here would be theta 2. Okay. What is normal? As I said here, I said axis. The normal is a line perpendicular to the surface at the point where the incident light strikes the saber. So at the point the point where the incident light strikes the surface. That's what it means normal. So what is the law? As I said, we have two things for it. The first one is their incident ray, which is this one. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal are in the same plane. So all are in the same plane. What is the other rule? Is the angle of reflection is the same as the angle of incidence. That's the second rule which I wrote. So reflection is equal to incident. And like angle for sure. Okay. So then we are going to study refraction. So what is a refraction? Again, we have a similar drawing. There is an incident ray, like the last time. There is a refracted ray, and there is a reflected ray. Refracted ray and reflected ray. And it's incident. Okay, again, medium 2, medium 1, and 2 and 1. And then again, these two are equal. So whenever light reaches a boundary between two media, part of it will enter a new medium but will change its direction. This is called refracted. This is called refraction, sorry. So like as you can see here, the incident ray would strike the as I said here, the normal,